Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to add or remove agents to the ticket or activity watch list in BoldDesk. I will show you different ways of adding an agent to the ticket watch list and how to remove them. If an agent needs to monitor a ticket or an activity assigned to another agent, that Add Watcher feature can be used. The watcher of a ticket or activity will receive email notifications whenever there is any activity on that ticket, such as adding a reply or note or changing the status. By default, all the system roles have the permission to add or remove other users as watchers. To restrict other agents from performing these actions, you can create a custom role and disable the add or remove other users as watchers. There are different ways that an agent can add other agents as watchers of a ticket or activity. They include using the Watchers button on the ticket details page, using it mentioned in a ticket reply or note message, using ticket automation, which is exclusive to tickets. First, let me show you how to add agents to the ticket watch list using the Watchers button. Navigate to the ticket module and open the ticket in which you want to add watchers. Then click the Watchers button at the top of the ticket details page. To add yourself as a watcher, click the Add Me option or press the W shortcut key. To add other agents, search and select the agent from the drop-down list. In the same way, you can add watchers to an activity, too. Similarly, whenever an agent creates a ticket on behalf of the requester, the agent will be automatically added as a watcher for that ticket. To learn more about how to create a ticket on behalf of a requester in BoldDesk, follow the link in the card above and description below. Next, let me show you how to add agents to the ticket or activity watch list using the mention feature. In the reply text or note editor section, type the symbol followed by starting letters of the agent's name. Then, select an agent from the suggested list and update the reply or note. The mentioned agent will be automatically added as a watcher. To learn more on using mention in ticket messages, notes, and activity comments, follow the link in the card above and description below. The mention feature can also be used to add watchers when adding activity comments. Next, let me show you how to add an agent to the tickets watch list with ticket automation. This method is exclusive to tickets. When setting up ticket automation rules, you can set them to add watchers to tickets. First, let me show you how to do this with ticket auto-assignment. To learn more about ticket auto-assignment, follow the link in the card above and description below. On the Associate Agent tab, select agents to add from the Add Watchers drop-down list. You can also use Create Ticket, Update Ticket, or Time Trigger Automation to add agents as watchers. Follow the links in the description below to learn about creating ticket triggers, updating ticket triggers, and time trigger automation. On the Set Action tab, select the Add Watcher option and choose the agents. Agents can check the tickets they are watching in the Tickets I Am Watching view on the Tickets module or under the Watching tab in the Home dashboard of the Agent portal. Finally, let's see how to remove watchers from the ticket or activity watch list. First, agents can remove themselves from the watch list using the Remove Me option or icon next to the agent's name or by pressing the W shortcut key. To remove other agents, click the Watchers button, then the Remove icon next to the agent's name. You can also remove agents from the watch list through automation by setting the action to Remove Watcher and selecting the agents to be removed whenever the conditions are met and the rule is applied on a ticket. Let me summarize. In this video, I showed you the different ways to add agents as watchers in tickets or activities. I also demonstrated how to remove them from the ticket or activity watch list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.